Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Katanat Fisheries jong sarkar jilla Meghalaya lingba ka office jong superintendent of fisheries West Khasi Hills District Nongstein hagash potrik unaitung alda arpenrio kalarkhe ya National Fish Farmers Day ka ba arpulai halor kapang empowering fish farmers for a sustainable and prosperous future. Hakani kasingi ka Himan Nayak IAS Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District klalongkum ka Kongsan balay sanran lang ru do ba Precious Lamin Superintendent of Fisheries West Khasi Hills ba TCM le Fisheries Supervisor but kibai officer sarkar but ha ka jingra khela samru ik sambai Dohkha shakumba sanphongut AA kinong ri Dohkha jong kathain ring card ka jingtmu ban Pynkylla ya ka Jingpynmih Dohkha ha ka jo ka singi la pen bana bala don hado prangut kinong ri Dohkha ki bla keu sha prang na ki pratali ki block ki bakin thop yo ba Arwin Mauser na umdang ba Fallenson Langren na Mauthliang ba Tho Stars Emli na Nonglang ba Addis Lingdo na Maukaton ba Blick Starwell Mauliet Nong Set na Rambrai ba kilayo padiang rui ki sernot ne ka certificate of recognition na kabanta ki jingno sinyang barat ba jongki haka kam ri Dohkha ka kongsan haba ai jingkren kala banjur haka be day ban thawi ki lat yo kam yo jam hakum ka ni ka por jong ka kerdo kam kerdo jam ka por jong ka hiran haka yo ka kot pat haba ro ki liang ka ba kala ong ba kala day ka por ban Pynkylla no e ka Ïakop Khwai Dohkha sha ka Jingpynmih Dohkha namat kan men toya baro lang kham tam na ka benta ka lawe bat ka pateng ka banwan.
We always talk about challenges. We certainly have many challenges, but it is very important to identify the potential along with the challenges. Because whenever we talk about the challenges, we mention the cold climate, especially in the month of November, December till February, March. It is very cold and the climate sometimes is not suitable to have fishery activities. That is one of the challenges that we mention. And second challenge that we mention is the potential which our farmers and the beneficiaries are not able to realize. Many of the times I had gone to some villages and I used to ask regarding fisheries. Are they interested in fisheries? And they used to confuse that with fishing competitions. They used to say that they are very interested in fishing. I used to ask them, not fishing, but in fish production, fish farming. So we need to shift this attention from the fishing competition only towards this integrated development of fisheries. Fishing competitions, no doubt they are important, but if you see, those ponds are sometimes not suitable for fish cultivation or fish farming. Many of the times they are just kept it like that and they purchase these big fishes from outside and they drop it. So, and the beneficiaries are very few. The owner of the fish pond and maybe some locality landowners or the pond owners and some organizers, hardly 3 to 4 are the beneficiaries of those fishing competitions. And all those who are going, I think only 2 or 3 are winning and all others are losing their money in the entry fee or maybe in gambling also sometimes. So this, we need to take this attention regarding, people are so interested in fishing, but we need to shift this focus from fishing towards the fish farming and fish cultivation. This is one of the biggest challenges for West Khasi Hills district and also some of the neighboring districts of Khasi Atiar region. And third challenge that we have is farmers not realizing the economic potential of the fish. Many of the times they might be doing this fish farming, but they don't know how to do the market, how to expand their cultivation and how to make money out of this. So we need to understand all these challenges first and then only we can move forward. And recently from the fisheries department we had conducted many review meetings and we are moving towards realizing this potential. If you see West Khasi Hills district, There is immense potential for this, especially in the bordering areas of Assam and also in the blocks of Shillong, Rimulyang, Moshinrut, and even in the hilly areas. It is our duty, it is the duty of our department, district administration, and all the other line departments to identify the specific fish which is suitable for the cold climate. We cannot just say that the activities we cannot do, but we need to identify those fishes. For example, Europe, you see the cold countries, they have different varieties of fishes. So here also we must be having indigenous varieties which can survive in the cold climate of Nongstoin and surrounding areas. You can see now, because of El Nino and climate change, it's changing. The weather is changing. The temperature is quite high. Today also is quite warm compared to previous years of month of July and August. So it is very important to give awareness regarding all these things to the fish farmers so that they do not miss out on the economic prospects. Secondly, we were discussing with our Superintendent of Fisheries regarding the integrated fish farming last time. If you see in the bordering areas of Shillong, especially in this Rongjeng and Williamnagar, and also in districts like Ampati, their farmers now are doing integrated fish farming. They are doing ducks and fishes and everything together in one farm. Plus, they are also doing the they are having small factories to do fish balls so that they can increase the shelf life. So here also similar activities we need to do, and this is not new for the farmers of Nongstoin. If you look at the West Khasi Hills district, we are one of the best performing districts when it comes to ginger production, the quality of ginger and also the marketing. It's very good here. It is just that in the fisheries also we need to expand this knowledge, this kind of marketing, how to use this fish, how to market them, how to have this fish ball production and how to increase their shelf life. We need to identify this, and also we have various line departments here today. We have so many activities from CNRD blocks under BB Gram and previous MGNREGS. We used to have Amrit Sarovar scheme, and also from soil and water conservation we have many other activities. From water resources, PHE department, we do have these activities, and also tourism. When I saw this landscape, if you see this landscape, it is so beautiful. It has the hilly areas, it has the water bodies. So we need to develop this also as kind of tourism plus training center, so that all the fish farmers of our district take the benefit of the infrastructure that our departments are having.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.